The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, combined with the advanced One UI 7, creates a powerful synergy that redefines the premium smartphone experience. One UI 7 builds on Samsung's legacy of offering an intuitive, user-friendly interface, now enriched with cutting-edge AI-driven capabilities designed to leverage the S25 Ultra's impressive hardware. The software introduces adaptive app suggestions, context-aware widgets, and dynamic customization options, providing a highly personalized and efficient user experience. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra's stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, One UI 7's refined visuals, smoother animations, and responsive transitions deliver a truly immersive interaction. The integration of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with One UI 7 ensures ultra-fast performance, seamless multitasking, and exceptional battery efficiency, making the device ideal for both productivity and entertainment. Enhanced S Pen functionalities are seamlessly incorporated, allowing users to take notes, sketch, and multitask with precision and ease. The software also focuses on privacy and security with new features that give users more control over their data. Together, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and One UI 7 form a powerhouse duo, blending cutting-edge technology with elegant usability, setting a new standard in the smartphone industry.